today? Welcome back to another fun and colorful video. I'm super excited to be here with you again. But before we jump into today's drawing, don't forget, tomorrow is our special day to showcase your amazing drawings. Every Sunday, I'll be showing the beautiful art you've created right here on the channel. So hurry up and send me your drawings to the email in the description below. And if you need help, ask a family member or an adult to send it for you. I can't wait to see your awesome artwork. Now for today's drawing, we're going to draw Snow White. It's gonna be magical and so much fun. So grab your colors and get ready. Stay with us until the very end. We've got a lot of exciting moments ahead. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started. If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. All right, friends, now it's time to start coloring. Let's bring our drawing to life with some beautiful and magical colors. Make sure to stay with me till the end because we're going to use some really fun and colorful shades that you'll love. Grab your favorite crayons or markers and let's make this artwork super awesome together. Give a like and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Now it's your turn. I want to see your awesome drawings too. Ask your grown-up to send me a picture of your masterpiece to my email. I'm super excited to see what you made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new drawing adventure with me. Thanks for drawing with me today. You're amazing. See you in the next video, my little artist friends. Bye-bye.